How to add an external sound library in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fairlight page, which is dedicated to audio editing. Next, click on the sound library in the top left corner. If you don't see your external sound library here, you need to import it manually. To import your external sound library, click on the three-dot menu, then select Add Library. After that, browse to the location on your computer where your external sound files or folder is saved. Select it and confirm the import. Once imported, your external sounds will appear in the sound library and you can drag and drop them directly onto your audio tracks in the timeline. Don't forget to save your project after importing your sounds so you don't lose any changes. This method helps you easily access and manage your external sound effects, making your audio editing workflow faster and more efficient. And that's it. Now you know how to add an external sound library in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.